Hey, Joe Mastriano, CPA, over 40 years and thousands of successful IRS tax cases. Today, I want to talk about IRS levying people without prior contact. Well, in behalf of the IRS, they do contact people. They send letters out. Sometimes people don't get them, but lately, because of COVID and automated collections not levying people, and then a case goes to a revenue officer, they just look at the history and it said, well, a letter went out here, you got a notice here, so I'm levying your bank account. I'm levying your wages. I'm levying your spouse's wages. You, the taxpayer, you're thinking, well, I haven't heard from them in over a year. How dare they do it? Well, they do it. So, this video is basically a warning to people that you should not sit on your IRS matter. If you know you've been delinquent in filing, and if you know you owe money, either one or both, let me help you. It's now the 43rd year I've been doing this, and I'm just a very small company. It's me, Stephanie, and Robin. Robin does most of the individual tax, some of the corporate. She's been a CFO. She's very, very well versed in the accounting field. And Stephanie's been with me about 13 years, Robin about 7 or 8. I lost track. And some of you are thinking, well, how the hell can I put my information together for my tax returns? And I'm going to tell you, let me work with you. There's a lot of areas where you can guess on numbers, and I audit proof returns. So I couldn't even tell you when the last time one of my clients were ever audited when we did their tax return. And you can call Stephanie now. She'll answer your questions for free. You'll get to know and like her. In fact, a few weeks ago, I signed up a new client that she insisted to get me back on the phone. And she said, Joe, I like you and I'm hiring you, but the real reason is because of my conversation with Stephanie. I can tell that you're a very good, close knit, tight group, and she's going to help take good care of me. So I offer that to any listeners of this video. Stephanie and I and Robin will take really good care of you, and our rates are only $195 an hour. I've kept it that way for many years. It does include letters, emails, phone calls, and most cases are, I represent some companies that in the accounting business that got in trouble with the IRS. I've represented tax preparers that have gotten preparer penalties. I've represented many of their clients, and our fees sometimes are less than theirs, and we're a CPA firm. So don't hesitate. Call 713-774-4467 or go to www.taxproblem.org and fill out the contact form, and then Stephanie will call you. But either way, there's no excuse. I don't care who your attorney is. I've had some $1 million a year salaried attorneys as clients. Just because someone's an attorney or even a CPA doesn't mean, I've had plenty of CPAs as clients, doesn't mean that they know enough about the IRS representation business to help you avoid an audit and get your unfiled returns done and sent in, and then to make sure that no collection action happened. You know, I just got a letter from the IRS on one of my old clients from right before COVID. I think there's about three of them that went to somebody cheaper to save, I don't know, a couple of $100 a year. And she just got an extra $18,000 liability because they never pulled the wage and income transcripts to match what the IRS has on them before they did the return. So I ask you, does your tax preparer pull your wage and income transcript and match what the IRS has on you on the return? Or are you going to fail the matching program and be audited? Call Stephanie 713-774-4467. Thank you.